Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts, and today we're looking at a vibrant full color display in a tiny form factor. Say hello to the brand new CFAF240-240 A4013TN, a 240 by 240 pixel 1.3 inch IPS TFT LCD module from Crystal Fonts. This display packs stunning clarity into just over an inch of screen. At only 1.5 millimeters thick, that's less than 1/16 of an inch, it's perfect for wearables, handhelds, or any compact device that needs rich graphics. And yes, it runs over 4-wire SPI interface. But don't let that fool you. SPI doesn't mean slow. This display can run full video without a hitch. Check out the demo code on GitHub to see it in action. Built on IPS technology, you'll get ultra-wide viewing angles and brilliant color reproduction no matter how it's mounted. Worried about battery life? The onboard Citronics ST7789H2 controller includes content adaptive backlight control. That dynamically adjusted displays backlight based on the content being shown to improve both image quality and power consumption. It analyzes the image on the screen, identifies areas of interest like bright or dark scenes, and then optimizes the backlight intensity. This often results in a better contrast, deeper blacks, and extended battery life. It features an 18-pin ZIF connector, so integrating it into your design is just as simple as placing any surface mount part. And yes, we carry the matching 0.5mm pitch ZIF connector too. Want to prototype even faster? Grab the breakout board module or the Arduino dev kit. It's plug-and-play solution to get your project off the ground in no time. Need a slightly bigger display? Check out our 1.45-inch 128 by 128 full-color TFT, or browse our full line of small displays. There's something for every project. Let's recap. 1.3-inch diagonal, 240 by 240 resolution, just 3.3 volts, SPI interface, ultra slim, ultra bright, ultra easy to use. Whether you're designing the next-gen wearable or building a smart gadget that stands out, this is the display you've been waiting for. Visit crystalfonts.com to learn more and download our demo code, 3D models, and order yours today.